Good morning, everyone, and happy Sunday. Today I'm going to be flipping through and showing you all my spread for this week. And I'm also going to be adding some extra doodles and stuff like that into my week to fill some of the empty spaces that I have. I'm doing this a little bit differently. Instead of going through the actual setup process with you all, I'm just going to show you the finished product. I'm not sure which one you guys prefer. If you want to let me know in the comments if you like to see the setup portion where I'm putting the stickers down, or if you prefer a flip through of the final spread and then me doing doodles and stuff like that. Just let me know. If I sound a little stuffed up, it's because the air quality right now in Nebraska is terrible. There's smog and stuff from the fires that are going on. So if I sound a little stuffy or sniffly, that's why. Okay, let's flip and get into this. So for the week of the 10th, I used the honeybee kit, the honeybee journaling kit. So, and then for the weekly, I did the Hobonichi kit. So there's some stickers that are from the Hobonichi kit. And for the dates, I used our clear large foil date stickers. So what I liked for this week is that I used the this week sticker from the clear large date number foil sticker sheet. And underneath that, I was able to be more mindful or make kind of like an intent for the week or a goal for the week. So my goal was to be more positive, to do some mindfulness, meditation, and movement. So that was a cornerstone that I could look off of for the week and make sure that I was trying to hit my goal. And then I have some blank space here that I'm going to do something with. And then Tuesday, it was a lot of just journaling, I guess, or reflecting on my day. I walked the full trail on Tuesday and it was super hot outside, and when I was done, heat was just emitting off of my skin because it was so hot outside. And then Wednesday, a lot of journaling, self-reflecting. On Wednesday, I was not doing well because I had a big migraine and I woke up in the middle of the night with acid reflux. It was terrible. So I wasn't able to actually work on Wednesday because of that. Thursday, there's some open space here. I got a lot of stuff done at work, completing orders, doing social media posts, and planning stuff for my sister's bachelorette. And then Friday, I really love these tiered pieces for the journaling kit. They're my favorite. So just kind of self-reflection of the day and what I did. Saturday, I had my to-do list that I worked on, and then today is Sunday, so I'm doing this checklist, and then I had my weekly reflection on if I met my goal for the week, which I did with the movement aspect, but not really with the meditation and the being positive part of it. This is definitely something I need to work on. So I'm going to do some doodles. No promises that it's going to be anything great. I'm going to stick with the bee theme, and I'm using my pens, so whatever happens kind of just happens. Very risky, I know, but... yeah, that's not gonna look great. Oh well. Okay, so this is my last flip through with my doodles in it. I swear I cannot draw like the honeycombs at all. I tried my best, but for some reason I just can't. I'm actually pretty proud of the bee that I drew. Again, my doodles aren't perfect, but I just like seeing them and it's fun to draw. And then I have a jar of honey on this page. Some flowers. I decided not to color them in. Decided to do just the black and white. And then just like, I tried making like a sea of honey and then I was like, that looks kind of ugly by itself. And then I tried to do the honeycomb again and that didn't really work out, but it's all good. It was just for fun. And then lastly, I have the word honey with some dripping honey. Maybe let's try doing a little bit more maybe. This is my weekly setup. I changed it to where I put the date dots at the top of the day, which I like a lot more. And this is just kind of like an overview of the week. And then I did my dinners over here. And next week, I think I'm not gonna use the time blocks. I think I might do that differently and see how that goes for me. So yeah, this is my final flip through. This is my weekly using the honeybee kit. And this is my daily spread. Comment below if you liked this format of my weekly videos, or if you prefer showing you how I set all the stickers down. If you're interested in any of these products, I'll link below in the description the links for these products. Also, we have new releases today if you want to check those out. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new releases and get inspiration for different types of planner spreads. I hope you've had an amazing week and I'll see you next week. Bye everyone.